common part of almost any app is a tab bar. It allows you to switch easily between all of your main views. It can be created in many different ways though in SwiftUI. When I teach you guys, I want to teach you only the best way of doing things. So from my experience, I feel like you should just set it up like this every time. So the first thing we're going to want to do is create an enum for all the different tab cases. We have an enum called tab. It's going to have the raw type of string in case iterable. We're going to have a few cases. In my case, we will just have profile, home and profile. It will also have a title, which will switch on self, and it's auto completing for me. So we have a title which will return home for the home type and profile for the profile case. We will also have an icon. I just want it as a string as the name of the system icon. Yep, that's perfect. And lastly, we'll make a view. This will be what is presented when the tab is clicked. Switch self, it's almost got it, and this will be any. So now we have our enum set up. If you wanted to add more than these tabs, you could just add a new case and add to each of the switch statements. To use this, we're going to need a state variable to hold which tab is selected. Selected tab, it's already got it. Perfect. Then inside the body, we're going to create a tab view with the selection of the binding to the selected tab. And then inside here, we will have a for each of all the cases. We will need the ID self, and then we will just pull the parts out. The view dot tab item, we will want it as a label. Tab dot title, and then lastly we need to add a tag of the tab itself. And there you have it, just like that. You've got a tab set up to use between the home view and the profile view. And look at that, switching just as we wanted it to. This is reusable, scalable, and just really easy to implement. So next time you're making a tab bar, I would recommend doing it this way. Building upon this, I've gone and created another version of the tab bar with a bit of customization. If this is something you'd like to learn more about, let me know in the comments and I'll cover it in another video.